from your breaking news leader. Fox 16 Good Day Arkansas starts now.
All right, well, Halloween is a fun time to dress up, but it's also a time that we have to remember to be safe when we do that. Joining me now is Dr. Valerie Arnold with the Baptist Eye Clinic to tell us how we can keep our eyes safe. So a lot of people want to put in the color contacts, yes. But why is that so dangerous?
Well, it's not really dangerous if you go about it the right way. The most important part of wearing contact lenses is safety, making sure that your eyes are healthy. And so being an optometrist, that's my #1 goal, is to make sure that my patients have healthy eyes and that they see well and comfortably.
Yeah, definitely. So what are some ways, you know, the over-the-counter contact lens, those could be dangerous?
Oh, yes. It's actually considered illegal for a company to sell you contact lenses without having a prescription because they're considered a medical device. Okay. And so any medical device, you want to make sure you're handling it properly. And so the best thing to do is see your optometrist to get a thorough eye exam, make sure you're a good candidate for wearing contact lenses. And then if you want to be fit for these theatrical Halloween type contact lenses, they're easy ways for us to do it. It doesn't take a long time for us to get the lenses in, and it's a pretty seamless process, honestly.
I didn't even know you could go to the doctor for that.
Yeah.
Good to know. All right, so what about if people want to wear masks, like for children? What are some tips that you have for them?
Sure, and so Halloween, we trick-or-treat, it's dark, and so we want to have the most visibility possible while still having a cool mask. And so a couple of the examples we brought here are some that maybe wouldn't be so great. You want to make sure that the eye holes are big enough so that you can see, but also for the little ones, you may want to forego a mask because they're usually designed for adults, so it's going to be all over the place. They won't be able to see very well. A couple other things to mention are some of the glittery kind of masks that have loose glitter on them. It's kind of a nightmare for me because I worry about it getting in the eyes, and so that's just something to be mindful of, especially again with the little ones. Adults, we kind of know how to keep things out of our eyes, but my little 3-year-old, he probably wouldn't be so good about it.
Yeah, and the last thing real quick to touch on is makeup, because you know a lot of people put makeup on. What are some things we should know about that?
You want to try to find something that is designed for your eyes, and you want to make sure it's hypoallergenic if possible. I would say to avoid putting eye makeup on little ones because their skin is just so sensitive, and you can have a great Halloween and look really, really cool without it. But if you are going to, just make sure it's safe for your skin and that it's been approved.
All right, perfect. Well, thanks so much for joining us and sharing these tips.